welcome to our warm Christmas day. I'm today's host, Judy. In these beautiful holidays, we are getting together at our EagerLED meeting with you to spend a happy Christmas day. Welcome these happy holidays. Are you ready? Get it. Let's go.
Today, all employees of EagerLED company gathered together to celebrate a warm and festive Christmas. In this joyful event, we shared a delicious meal and savored the unique warmth of the Christmas season. A variety of delicious dishes not only filled our stomachs, but also ignited the enthusiasm for teamwork. In addition to sumptuous food, we also played a series of fun games to create a cheerful atmosphere. The energy and team spirit displayed by colleagues during the game made the entire event even more lively. The laughter and friendly competition brought us so much joy on this special day. I hope that in the new year, everyone can continue to achieve greater success in career and life, and share more happiness and laughter together.